like Christmas pudding? We all do. My project today is inspired by Christmas pudding. It can be the best gift for kids, friends, or family, and even for yourself. Even though you can find them on websites or markets, you can't find them less than $60. So why don't you be creative and do it at home, and it will cost you less than $20? First, cut 8 of this sphere template on a brown blanket. I'll leave a link to a printable pattern of this shape in the description box to make it easy for you. After that, sew them together until you reach to the last 2. You should leave a small hole to be able to flip it out. Stuff it with polyester or cotton stuffing. Make sure to stuff it very well for a fluffier touch, but don't overfill it. Then, with an ivory blanket, draw the frosting over the ball that you did. Cut it and sew the edges of it for a fine and pretty look. And sew them over the ball. Now moving on to the exciting part, the mistletoe. Shape a little bit of stuffing in a round shape and secure it with plastic wrap. Reshape it with your hands and sew red fabric over it. Do this for the other 2 and sew them together. Then, draw or print any mistletoe leaf template that you like and draw it on green fabric. Cut 4 of them and sew every 2 together. Fill them with a little bit of stuffing. Then add the leaf details with a green thread.
And finally, attach it to the frosting to be having a masterpiece done by you.
Enjoy! If you like DIYs, then go check my channel for more videos. And wait, before you go, let me see you hitting the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.